Not for the first time, the Maverick is going to say something controversial. Regarding my team Brazil and this World Cup, I think Brazil play better football without Neymar. Yeah, man. The team is more fluent and move the ball quicker without Neymar. This current injury is a potential blessing in disguise for this Brazil team. When Neymar plays, the game revolves around him and his decision making. And what he does is to hold on to the ball, and then him hold on to the ball, and then him hold on to the ball some more. He plays for contact. When the contact comes, he goes down and he stops the game. That's the Neymar game. In that first game against Serbia, when Neymar got hurt and came off, the passing and the movement and the fluidity of the Brazil team improved. For today's game against Switzerland, although Brazil only won 1-0, the team flowed better. They pressed higher and played with more pace. And look, we don't expect Coach Tite to drop Neymar from the team. That is never going to happen. But I want you to compare the team without Neymar and watch the difference when him come back. just watch the difference when him come back. After play, me and you talk. All right? Watch it.